Did you know it is possible to accelerate hair growth? Most women dream of long, soft, shiny hair. However, many of them can never get to their desired length because their hair takes too long to grow. Does it happen to you too? With this in mind, we decided to bring a natural recipe with essential oils to help you in this mission. Now you will see how you can make your hair grow faster. You will need some rosemary and nettle. Since rosemary is astringent, it is highly recommended for oily hair. It also helps strengthen the hair follicles and prevents hair loss. Even better, this herb improves blood flow in the scalp and stimulates growth. Isn't it incredible? Nettle contains vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K, which help with cell regeneration in the scalp and nourish the hair. It is also a source of minerals like sulfur, iron, phosphorus, manganese, potassium, and silica. Thanks to all these properties, nettle promotes hair growth, eliminates dandruff and oiliness, gives shine, hydrates, and enriches the hair fibers. Wonderful, isn't it? The rosemary and nettle combo helps control oiliness and favors hair regeneration, strengthening, and deep hydration. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Add equal parts of rosemary and nettle to a glass container. Fill a little bit over half of the container. Add vodka or alcohol until the glass is full. Then close and let it sit for 30 days or more in a dry, cool, and dark place. Every day, at least twice a day, shake the container to distribute and mix the herbs. After 30 days, strain it. How to use? Put a little bit of this tonic in your hand and apply it over your scalp, gently massaging it. The application is over dry hair. You don't need to rinse it afterward. If your scalp is sensitive, apply twice a week. If not, you can use the tonic daily. Try it and share your experience with us. It is worth remembering that in cases of alopecia or extreme hair loss, talk to a specialized doctor to receive adequate treatment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.